Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook pheasant back mushrooms. First, it's crucial to properly prepare your mushrooms. Begin by identifying fresh specimens, which often have a distinct cucumber-like aroma. Gently brush away any dirt or debris from the caps and stems. For larger, older mushrooms, you might find the stems and outer edges a bit woody. Simply trim these tougher parts away to ensure a tender bite. This initial cleaning step is vital for a delicious culinary experience. Once cleaned, it's time to slice and sauté these delightful fungi. For younger, more tender mushrooms, aim for slices about 1/4 inch thick to ensure even cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of butter or olive oil in a skillet over medium heat until shimmering. Add your sliced mushrooms and sauté them for approximately 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until they turn a beautiful golden brown and become tender. This simple sauté brings out their unique, earthy flavor. Now, let's elevate those flavors. During the last minute of sautéing, introduce aromatic ingredients like 1 clove of minced garlic and a sprig of fresh thyme or rosemary. To add a wonderful depth, deglaze the pan with about 1/4 cup of white wine or vegetable broth, scraping up any brown bits. Finally, season generously with sea salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. These additions will truly make your pheasant back mushrooms shine. These perfectly cooked pheasant back mushrooms are incredibly versatile. They make a fantastic side dish alongside roasted chicken or beef, adding an earthy, umami punch. You can also incorporate them into creamy pasta sauces, savory omelets, or even a rustic quiche for a delightful texture and flavor. For a final flourish, garnish with a sprinkle of fresh, chopped parsley and a squeeze of bright lemon juice. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.